Hey y'all, so today I'm going to give you a recipe showing you how to make these garlic mashed potatoes. This recipe is so easy, y'all, and it's just excellent for the holiday season, which is quickly approaching. So we are going to start out here with some russet potatoes. First, you want to peel your potato. Then you're going to take your potato, cut it in half lengthwise. Then take half of the potato and you're going to cut it in half again. Okay, and this is how you can make your potato chunks. So try to get your potatoes as equal in size as possible. And we're going to sit these inside of some water. As I cut each potato, I had some water reserved to the side just to keep them from turning brown. Now we're going to transfer these to our pot after we drain off that water. I'm using chicken broth. Okay, so you just want to fill up the pot, add enough broth to completely cover the potatoes. If you don't have enough broth, you can add some water. And we're going to cook these on our stove, but first I'm going to season this with some chicken bouillon powder. You can season this to your taste, so make sure that you taste your broth. You're going to add as much chicken bouillon powder as you like. Okay, I will leave the measurements for how much I used. And you can use the same amount if you want, but this is really, according to your preference. And we're going to let the potatoes continue to cook until they are tender. So you want to cook this on a medium-high heat. Make sure you keep it covered with the lid. So once your potatoes are tender, you should be able to take a fork and stick it straight through the potato like this. Okay, and I like to just test out my largest potato chunks because as you can see, I have all different sizes in the pot, So yeah, once they are tender, we're going to drain off the broth, shake out the excess water. We're going to return the potatoes back to the pot, go in with a potato masher and just mash them up. So continue to mash until all of those potatoes are smashed. Okay, now we're going to add in our butter, and you want to add this in while those potatoes are hot so that the butter will melt. So now let's work on the garlic. I'm using 3 garlic cloves for this recipe, and I will just quickly demonstrate how to chop your garlic. If you already know how to chop garlic, then just feel free to, skip ahead. But if you don't know how to chop garlic, this is very, very easy. You can use the smallest knife in your kitchen to get this done. Very, very easy. And I'm using, my little paring knife to chop up the garlic, So yeah, just chop it down just like this. So now we're going to saute our garlic. We're going to add some butter in a skillet on medium-high. Let that butter completely melt. Then add in your garlic. Make sure you are like standing at attention, ready to mix, stir, stir, stir. Keep that garlic moving because the garlic will burn really quick. And if it burns, you'll need to start over. So yeah, you'll only need to let it cook for about 1 hour. 1 hour. You'll only need to saute your garlic for 1 minute. So now you're going to add your heavy whipping cream, and we're going to cook this for about an additional minute. Okay, make sure that you mix the butter and the garlic, get it all into that heavy whipping cream. Now we're going to add this to our potatoes. So if you like your potatoes to be more creamy, then of course you want to add more heavy whipping cream. And if you don't like them as creamy, but if you want them more chunky, then you can stop here. So you're just going to continue to add heavy whipping cream a little at a time until your potatoes reach the consistency that you like. I'm seasoning this with garlic salt. If you don't like garlic salt, then just use your favorite seasonings at this point here, or you can just use a little salt. Make sure you taste your food as you go, okay? So once your potatoes are just about done, you can garnish with some parsley flakes, and now we're gonna add some butter on top. So you can check my description box for the recipe. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you in my next one.